Welcome to Transformative Tastes. Today's episode, Understanding Chinese Cuisine, takes us into the heart of one of the world's most ancient and diverse culinary traditions. Chinese cuisine is a harmony of flavors, textures, and colors. We start by exploring fundamental cooking techniques like stir-frying and steaming, and key ingredients like soy sauce, ginger, and garlic that form the backbone of many dishes. Dive into the regional varieties of Chinese cuisine. From the spicy Sichuan dishes to the delicate flavors of Cantonese cooking, each region offers a unique taste experience. Chinese meals emphasize balance and variety. Learn about the concept of yin and yang in food, where meals are designed to be nutritionally balanced and harmonious. Chinese cuisine is not just about taste, it's about culture, history, and wellness. Thanks for joining our exploration. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Transformative Tastes for more culinary discoveries. Thanks for watching.